differ, but the blood is same. The religions may differ, but humans are same. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Tharushi kaweesha Neangoda from Royal International School, Kurunegala. Today, standing in front of you to talk about unity among all humans is wonderful. So talking about today's society, instead of being together and united, considering that we all are human beings, we have designed a world that we differentiate and separate each other, considering their wealth, power, nationality, religion, skin tone, etc. Let me explain few such situations in detail. When it comes to modern society, there are numerous religions in our world, such as Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and a plenty of other religions as well. Actually, respecting our own religion is completely fine, and that's what we're supposed to do. Yet, I am pretty sure that not a single religion leader has sent us to disgrace another religion just in order to praise our own religion. Instead, all the religious leaders have emphasized the value of love towards one another and universal brotherhood. And some people discriminate humans as white and black. Yet, we all belong to one human race. Also, at this moment, a beautiful Jataka story comes to my mind, which I hope that almost every one of you have heard about, which is the Samodamana Jataka story, in which the quail hunter was unable to attack the little quails when they were united, because they all together lifted up the net and easily flew away. But when they were against each other and when there was no unity at all, they were easily attacked by the hunter. So it simply means that when we are united, no one can defeat us. But when there's no unity, anyone can easily defeat us. Finally, I would like to end up my speech by saying this quote, which is, we all bleed the same blood. We all experience pain and happiness. We all have a breaking point plus a turning point. We all are human beings and all the lives matter. Thank you all for lending your ears and have a nice day.